Para ni mensahe ito son sigatajon pinimanak sa pa. Vice Mayor, please.
Salamat po mangiturturong iti programa ni Apo Professor iti University of Baguio, University of the Philippines, I should say. Dagitoy Ibaloy in the province of Benguet, Baguio, and all over the world who are watching through Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. So I think this is your day. Because I heard from our councilor, Joe Molintas, that there are line-up activities of the Ipaloy starting today up to October 30 of the month. So, we, in behalf of the city government of Baguio, which is very supportive in all your activities in the city, we congratulate all the Ibaloys all over the world. And of course, the Ibaloy, Unjon Di Ibaloy, of course, headed by your own president, Mr. Maximo Pugnay Jr. Palakpakan tayo amin, kita Katingget. Kaya namin nga Ibaloy. Of course, celebrating with us, we have here the former governor of Benguet, Mr. Governor Pacalso. We have here the councilors of Baguio City, councilors and acting Vice Mayor Benny Bumugao, councilors Leandro Yangot, and councilor Popo Kusala. Over there, I saw the mayor of Kabayan, and the councilors of Toba, Councilor Apil and Councilor Hitima. May kayo to'y, Apo. Kaya this morning, I think 9 o'clock we are here. Nakita ni Ma'am Vicky Makay, na isuti one of the most senior Ipaloy leader or elder in the city of Baguio. Moyote mo na nga dinamag ko, kumusta de pinartiyo ko na mayat that will give us prosperous New Year starting today. So nga maswerte tayo, palakpakan tayo. Lagi jay naalat ang mayat-mayat. Kunanakat laton kini kabunyan, piyak tayo ti atiddo. At dati umay nga swerte kada tayo amin. So nga maswerte tayo nga datoy amin. Ket makita tayo ti aglawlaw. Medyo kurang ti improvements na. But maybe this is just the first day. The city government will not oppose no agikabil kayo ti market stalls yu dita. To promote the culture and of course the attire and all products of Baguio and Benguet or Orayno ay nadita tap na makastakat, it will be a good affair. So kada kami manan may met ko man niya po Mayor Magalong katata dito because he knows to speak Ibaloy. Siya pasensyahan tayo unay amo nga Ibaloy. Narigat mat nga pilpilitan nga hamo mo. Ngam niya po Binji Magalong, niya po Mayor, din makol iday bingay. So nga numamingsan kat amo na nga Saudi Ibaloy. But our Mayor, of course, in his absence, ada tayo mat. Nga mangitultuloy, no niya dagita programa iti syudad. Our beloved Mayor is in Mexico City. At dati pondon sa nga maisangpet na bata no umaiton sanan to ipagakada kayo. So again, in behalf of the city government of Baguio, headed of course our congressman, our mayor, yours truly, the City Council of Baguio. We would congratulate all people of Baguio and Benguet whose roads are ibalon. Salamat apo. Diyos yan nila kada tayo amin.
Salamat, Apo.